flooding is going to continue to be a main concern because Sally just continues to move very slowly, and recently we've been having to use the national radar because the National Weather Service radar in Mobile, that has gone away. It might have been from the winds that we were seeing in Mobile as well, and up until recently, about an hour, 2 hours ago, we were still seeing wind gusts in Mobile around 70 miles per hour, which is why we've seen a lot of tree damage. But you factor in just all the rain on the ground, saturating the ground. You don't need a 100-mile-per-hour wind with a saturated ground to knock down trees. It would only take a typical tropical storm force gust to knock down those trees. And also something to keep in mind is just we haven't really seen a big windstorm recently, so we've seen a lot of those trees build up, and when you talk about stuff like that, that's why we've just seen so much tree damage. But going back over to where we're seeing the heaviest of the rain is now leaving Milton, and the heaviest of the rain is now moving north of the I-10 corridor in Okaloosa County as well. It's going to be a rough go of things if you're in Jay, Bruton, Castleberry, up towards Evergreen, over towards Monroeville as well. Again, the rain rates within these storms are around 4, 5, and possibly upwards of 6 inches per hour, and that's why we're just seeing those rain totals driving up so fast. But let's go ahead and check on the latest information with Sally, where with Sally it is currently a Category 1 storm, and it is moving very slowly. But the positive, we're going to try to take as much positive as we can with Hurricane Sally. It's at least now moving a little bit quicker. Earlier this morning and during the overnight hours, it was moving 2, maybe 3 miles per hour at the most. Now it's starting to pick up a little bit of speed. It's now moving to the north-northeast at 5 miles per hour. And on the backside of the storm, we're starting to see less thunderstorm activity. So the eye is more or less fading away, but the eye would likely be somewhere in here. It is soon going to be moving away from our area, but keep in mind, still on the backside where there's not as much of the rain, you're still likely seeing at least tropical storm force wind gusts and maybe even hurricane force gusts as well. Now starting to see those winds more so switching out of the west. When you get down to coastal northwest Florida, also into Baldwin County, you can actually see the low-level clouds kind of circulating around here. And now you're starting to see more of those southeasterly winds in Okaloosa County, over into Bay County, and in Walton County as well. We're going to continue to monitor what's happening, and that's because as we go throughout today, we are going to see more changes. And in terms of flooding, we could see rapid changes. So we'll make sure that we continue to keep an eye on this and make sure that we continue to keep you posted. But make sure, overall, that if local officials have told you to shelter in place, make sure you continue to do so. The only people that need to be out there right now are those local officials and those performing rescues.